Welcome to Bikes Reviews, your go-to place for in-depth motorcycle insights. Today we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Suzuki GSX-1000, a powerful and aggressive naked sport bike that blends performance, technology, and street-level styling. Engine and performance. At the heart of the GSX-S1000 is a refined 999cc inline-4 engine, derived from Suzuki's legendary GSX-R superbike lineup, delivering around 150 horsepower and 106 Nm of torque. This bike offers exhilarating acceleration and smooth power delivery. The updated fuel injection system ensures precise throttle response, making it ideal for both city rides and open highways. Chassis and handling. Built on an aluminum twin-spar frame, the GSX-S1000 offers a lightweight yet rigid structure for excellent handling. The fully adjustable KYB suspension enhances ride comfort and control, while the Brembo radio-mounted brakes provide impressive stopping power. Combined with a refined traction control system and ride-by-wire throttle, this bike ensures maximum stability in all conditions. Design and features. Suzuki has given the 2025 GSX-S1000 a more aggressive and modern look, featuring sharp bodywork, a sculpted fuel tank, and an all-LED lighting system. The new TFT display provides essential riding data with customizable settings, while multiple riding modes allow for a personalized experience. Additionally, a quick shifter and slipper clutch make gear transitions smoother than ever. Final thoughts. The 2025 Suzuki GSX-1000 is a perfect blend of power, precision, and Streetfighter aesthetics. Whether you're looking for a thrilling ride or a reliable daily commuter, this bike delivers on all fronts. Stay tuned to Bikes Reviews for more expert insights on the latest motorcycles. See you in the next review. Design and features. The Bergman Electric retains its signature maxi scooter look with a modern twist. Sleek LED headlights, a fully digital instrument cluster, and a spacious seat make it both stylish and practical. The under-seat storage is generous, allowing riders to carry essentials with ease, making it perfect for daily commutes. Performance and battery. Suzuki has equipped this scooter with a high-efficiency electric motor that delivers instant torque, ensuring smooth acceleration in city traffic. The lithium-ion battery offers a solid range on a single charge, while regenerative braking helps improve efficiency. Multiple riding modes allow users to choose between power and range optimization. Technology and connectivity. A smart digital dashboard provides real-time information on speed, battery status, and connectivity features. Some variants may include smartphone integration, allowing riders to track ride history and battery health via a dedicated app. Charging and convenience. The Bergman Electric supports both home and public fast charging. Suzuki is also introducing swappable battery technology, reducing downtime and making charging even more convenient for daily riders. Conclusion. The 2025 Suzuki Bergman Electric is a game-changer in the urban EV market. With its sleek design, smart features, and reliable performance, it's an excellent choice for riders looking for a sustainable commuting option. Stay tuned to Bikes Reviews for more exciting updates on the latest two-wheelers.